In this demonstration, we'll show you how to reconcile bank accounts. You can import electronic bank statements from your bank to quickly fill in the payment reconciliation journal so that you can then apply payments and reconcile the bank account. We use the Yodlee bank feed service, which is installed and is included with the license. It's set up as an extension to Business Central and is typically ready and enabled, or can be configured through the assisted setup. In this scenario, we will link a bank account, we'll establish the automatic bank import, match the transactions, and then reconcile. So first, let's go ahead and link the bank account. So I'm logged into Business Central. Hard-coded on the home page is the bank accounts. And so first I'll do is I'll select on the bank statement service. I want to create a new linked bank. So in the online bank account linking window, you can choose your current bank, or if you don't see it in the list, you can select on the search. This happens to be our sample bank account. And then I'd enter in the username, the password that you'd use to log on to the online bank, and then choose the next button, right? And then click next. And then I could say, okay, we've got some accounts that are linked. So I brought in a couple accounts from my online bank feed, and then I can, next step is to establish the import. So I've made the link, and now I need to establish that automatic import if I want to import my bank statements as that feed. So here in the link, you see in the ribbon, I have the automatic bank import setup. So with the bank feed setup, you're all ready to import. This is just scheduling those. So I'll select the schedule, I'll enable it, and then set in the number of days. So when the bank feed is enabled, you could set up to automatically import that into the payment journal. And now you see that status is linked. Now, in the next step around manage or match transactions, you have to regularly reconcile your bank, your receivables and payable accounts by applying payments that are recorded in the bank to their unpaid invoices and credit memos or open entries in Business Central. And so you can perform that task in the Payment Reconciliation Journal window. So here is the Payment Reconciliation Journal. I'll select on the checking. And from this window, you immediately see the level of confidence, meaning low, medium, and high, the application has for those matching entries. Right? The confidence level is driven by the transaction amount, the date, this description, or text. And then from the actions, I can go ahead and enable the additional options from the drop-down menu. So I'll go ahead and I'll select the test report. And I just want to make sure with this PDF, it shows me the potential impact, so I can preview this before I do the posting or the reconciling. And then the goal here is to provide you guys again with a single location. Next, I'll go ahead and perform it. So month-end close, it's time to reconcile the banks. With the ledgers, I can go in and open the transactions, make the necessary adjustments or reconciliations, and then move on to the next task. So the goal of that scenario was to show you how the ability of automating and linking banking to Dynamics 365 Business Central, the benefits clearly to help improve efficiency and accuracy and remove the need for manual entry while staying current with your bank accounts.